Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Nintendo Switch games on your ROG Ally. This process involves using emulation software, which allows your powerful handheld PC to mimic the Switch's hardware. We'll cover everything from the essential software you'll need to optimizing your games for the best experience. Remember, the key is to have legitimate copies of the games you wish to play. Let's dive in and get those games running smoothly on your device. To begin, you'll need an emulator like Yuzu or Ujinx. These are powerful tools that translate Switch code for your Ally. Crucially, you'll also need specific files from a physical Switch, the console's firmware and decryption keys. These are vital for the emulator to function correctly and legally. Once you have these, install your chosen emulator and carefully place the firmware and key files into their respective folders within the emulator's directory. This setup is foundational for playing your games. Now, let's optimize your gaming experience. Within the emulator, you can tweak various settings like resolution and frame rate to match your ROG Ally's capabilities. For controls, map the Ally's buttons and joysticks to perfectly mimic a Switch controller. This ensures a natural and responsive feel. Don't hesitate to experiment with different performance profiles for individual games. Some titles might benefit from higher settings, while others require a more balanced approach for smooth gameplay. Fine-tuning is key here. Finally, let's talk about legalities and support. It's absolutely crucial that you only emulate games you legally own. Downloading game ROMs from illicit sources is piracy and should be avoided. For ongoing support and the latest information, I highly recommend joining the vibrant online communities dedicated to Switch emulation. These forums are fantastic resources for troubleshooting, sharing tips, and staying updated on emulator developments. Keeping your software current will ensure the best possible gaming experience on your ROG Ally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.